guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time viewing my videos, my name is Elle Morgan and I create content to help better your lives through my personal experiences. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you can become a BFF, because by the end of this video you'll see I'll be your best friend in your head and you want to keep up with your BFF, so just go ahead and do it, girl. On to today's video. For today's video, I wanted to share with you guys some of the apps that I like to use to edit content for my business Instagram and for my personal Instagram. So if you're interested, then keep watching. Okay, so the first app is going to be Canva. Now, I've been using this app for the past couple of months. It's still kind of new to me, so I'm still experimenting with it, but I really love it. It's great for like doing different graphics if I want to promote a sale or a certain item. It's just really good for that because they have a ton of templates you can choose from. You can just change up the colors in the background that fit your brand aesthetic, and then boom, pow, there you go, girl. Super easy and simple. So that is something that I love to use for my feed and also for my Instagram stories. Now, I have used it for my personal Instagram as well, but mostly I use it for business purposes. Now, I did opt to get the pro version of it because this app does have a free version and a pro version, but I got the pro version because I just had more access to things and it was really beneficial for me and my business. So I did sign up for the 1-year subscription for that. And yeah, I really love that. The next one I want to talk about is Mojo. Now, this is another one of my favorites because I really like to use this to make my Instagram stories pop. I really like how they have it set up, so it really makes my advertisements when I'm like promoting a sale or something, it really makes it pop and eye-catching. So I really love that app. Now, I do also use it sometimes to promote things on my Instagram feed because you can change the ratio size from the Instagram story size to like a regular post. So sometimes I might switch it up. Instead of just posting a picture all the time, I'll switch up and do like a little mini video. So it just kind of helps keep my feed fresh and interesting. Next one I've been using long before I even thought about having a business, and this is called Pixar. Now, I love to use this to edit my photos. I have like certain filters that I like to use on there, and I do use this a lot for my personal Instagram as well, but really love it. It does have a pro version and a free version, but right now I'm using the free one because the filters I like to use are available on the free version. So I just didn't see the need to upgrade at this point, but I really enjoy it. The next app that I like to use is called, I think it's ImGPlay. I think that's what they call it. I think I'm saying that right. Yeah, ImGPlay. And basically you can make GIFs or GIFs, however you say that. You can make those with that app, and this app is free. I don't know if there's a upgraded version of it that you can purchase. I'm not sure, but I just used the free one. But basically you can just upload different pictures of like the same outfit or whatever, and it'll kind of like make like the little GIF for you, like a little slideshow or something like that. So it'll have that kind of effect. And I have used that for my business mostly. I use that on the stories and also on the Instagram feed just to make things more interesting. So that is another one that I really enjoy using. Now, the last app, to be honest, I haven't really used it that much, but it is something that I'm planning to use more of going into next year, and it's called Planoly. And basically what you do is you can put your pictures or whatever that you want to post on your Instagram, and you can kind of map out how you want it to go, like to make sure it's going to be cohesive with what you already have going on. So I really love it for that, so that way I can plan my posts. And also, if you upgrade to the pro version, then they'll upload your posts for you, and that's something that I'm really considering doing, just because a lot of the times I'll forget to post. Like, I'll post in the morning and then it'll be like 5 hours later, I'm like, oh crap, I haven't posted anything, let me post something else. So with using that app, I can schedule when my posts will upload and I won't have to worry about it. So that's something that is great for somebody who is busy and on the go and just don't have the time to constantly be on Instagram or social media. So yeah, definitely something that you should look into investing in if that sounds like you. Oh, and the last one I want to talk about is called Splice. Now, I really enjoy this app because I really like to be able to edit my videos on the go and upload to like my IGTV, and I don't have to like do it on my actual camera and then sit down and edit on the computer. I can just do it boom pow right there on my phone. So I think this is perfect for somebody who is just starting out in YouTube and doesn't have a camera or anything like that, but you just have a good quality phone. This app is perfect for you because it has different effects you can use to still make it look professional. So I definitely recommend using Splice for that. Now I do pay, I think it's $4.99 weekly to use this app. They do have where you can pay, I think, yearly, but I just opted to do the every week. I mostly use this app for my business Instagram when I do IGTV videos, or if I want to do something different for my stories and I want to actually edit and put something together rather than just recording right there on the spot. I like to use Splice for that. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. I hope you try some of these apps out. If you have any other apps that you use that have been helpful to you pertaining to business or personal, then leave it down below. I would love to see it. Don't forget to check the description box down below to check out all my social media networks, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you click the notification bell because we're at the end of this video, and as you can see, I'm already a BFF in your head, so what are you doing? Okay, anyways, yes, don't forget to shop my store, shopnowyouraveragement.com, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.